local spot when the floor looks like this. Alright, check out this bowl of Bun Rieu right here. Local joint. Bun Rieu is a crab noodle soup. There's little crab meat right there. And I guess they put beef in this. And it's like a light tomato broth with noodles. This is straight up a hole in the wall. There's no foreigners in here. It's only local people checking it out. Toss me some veg here. I gotta put it in. Gotta roll that dice for the authenticity, as my wife would say. Mix those veg in. Let's get this first bite right here. Oh, it looks tasty. Really good. Really mellow flavor, and there's a little hint of the mangrove, I guess is what they use in Bun Rieu, and that's like the little shrimp paste. Tasty. Noodles are super hot, broth is super hot. This is the crab meat, the real part in the Bun Rieu. I'm gonna taste that, see how it goes here. Really good. Mellow crab flavor. Delicious. Good looking, tasty bowl. I really like Bun Rieu growing up. My mom used to make it, but the crab meatballs she used to make used to be like, you know, big meatballs. Haven't found that here yet. They're always kind of like minced up or stuff, but really tasty. Looking around, looks like this place there's lunch for locals too. Rice and pork belly and like fish. I always wonder with my veg basket, if I don't use all that, do they reuse it? Hence, do I get a reused basket, you know, like, I'm eating it though. Nice little change from flow all the time. Got a variety of rice toppers in there too. Some pork, some cha, some fish. But I think the Bun Rieu is what people really come here for. You guys want to find this place? It's right here. That's what it looks like, little hole in the wall. Super good Bun Rieu, that bowl, 25K. Good way to start your day. Now let's go meet up with mom, baby, and Hanoi. Alright, back home, and Caitlin and Hanoi are back from Boogie Bugs too. It's doing a lesson plan for today's class.
Sure am.
How's Boogie Bugs?
They're so good.
Yeah?
She's walking around. Everyone's like, she's walking now.
Yeah. Haven't put it in the video, but ever since the last time we put the walking, she doesn't even crawl anymore. She crawls a little bit, but she loves walking. She walks everywhere now. We had to check this out. Got rid of the table so she can walk around everywhere. But was it cute seeing her at Boogie Bugs class? Yeah? She's dancing and everything?
Yeah, very nice.
Did you sit in the circle or did you sit on the outside?
No.
Me too. Yeah. Good job. Good job walking. Good job. Good. Good. Oh, you trying to go in my pocket? You trying to go in my pocket? Trying to go in my pocket? Hey, here it is. Yeah. Yeah, you gotta stand up.
Yeah.
No. Little carrot eater.
No. Yeah. Come on. Yeah.
Come here every Friday night, and every Friday night it's the same thing with you. You sit there and you stutter and you get all jittery like a little teenager. I don't need that. Just ask for us. Be respectable. Hard, honest work, that's respectable journalism. Because it's hard. Come on, man, there's gonna be a better way of making money than sweater
So there's some weird problem happening with our Uber account. So I've been using Grab a lot more. And now I remember why I hate Grab. I've had 3 drivers cancel on me already. And that never happens with Uber. This is really annoying. I think this guy's coming. Get your stuff together, Grab. But even more importantly, Uber. Fix my account. Oh, hi. No, you can't have the phone. You little phone thief. Yeah. Are you all ready for bed? You're just gonna hang out, Hanoi? Oh, really? Oh, okay. Yeah. Strolling around for a late night snack. Found this place pretty bumpin', so that's how I pick my places, you know. If it's bumpin' with a lot of locals, I'll give it a try. This is my late night snack right here. A little minga. A really simple dish, kind of like chicken pho, but it's made with these tapioca noodles. So they're a little more clear and they're a little chewier. I like it a lot. I've been craving this, I've been looking for it actually. And then some just really nice poached chicken. Green onion, cilantro. It's a fairly simple dish. The aroma is so good though. It smells strong of ginger and chicken broth. Definitely gotta lime it up. Going in for a full-on right here. Oh, look at that. Looks amazing. So good. The noodles are like chewier and firmer than the pho noodles. And the chicken is super tender. I mean, when you only have 3 ingredients, it's gotta be done well. Good spot. Try some of this broth right here. Oh, that's so good. Oh my god, that's perfect. Like, pure essence of chicken, a little bit of ginger in there, like the aroma of the green onions. This kid's still trying to like get in the video. It's cool, man. You wanna say hello? Can you say hello? When it's just something so simple, I mean, you gotta nail it, right? And the broth nailed it so good. And because I've been getting ballsier and ballsier, I'm gonna hit this hot sauce up right here. Yikes. Oh, that hit of hot sauce just does it. I love the homemade hot sauces here. This one is kind of like a vinegary Frank style again. They have that a lot in the north, I find, the vinegary Frank style. Whereas in the south, it's more of a pasty smokiness style. Delicious. This chicken though, it's just poached perfectly. It's so tender. I can't believe how tender it is. Like, just super tender chicken. Wow. White meat too? Wow. They are not skimpy on this bowl either. Like halfway done and I still got tons of chicken and tons of noodle here. I love that in a bowl. I love that in a bowl. Address right there if you guys want to hit it up. Really awesome spot, just right on the street, you know, and it's like busy with locals, so try it out if you see it. Alright, that was a good snack. Now I'm on a mission to find popcorn for Kate. Gotta do what the wife wants, right? Got it just in time. Closing. Just in time. I love it when I get a helmet that fits. It's the best. Did you know that I didn't even get 1 vote?
I'm definitely more Vietnamese than you.
Well,
How many votes did I get?
all of them, I don't know. Like, it's not like, there was no point of being like 1, 2, 3, 4 because they were just all you. I figured I would at least get like 1 or something. Like
I mean, I knew you were going to win. Not one vote? Come on. I speak... Yeah, she speaks good Vietnamese, but you guys always forget who teaches her.
Your dad has taught me more in the week that he's been here than you have the 6 months he's been here.
Babe.
Just kidding. See you guys tomorrow.